This is Frank. This is a 2006 Toyota Highlander. In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the cabin air filter for your car. And I'm also going to show you why you should check it and replace it frequently if needed. In the video description, I include a link to the cabin air filter for this car. It's available from Denso on Amazon. The cabin air filter is behind the glove box. First, open the glove box. Then apply pressure on either side of the glove box inward so that you can release the two tabs and allow the glove box to drop just a little bit further. Now peeking in, this is the cover for the filter. The way you remove this cover is reach into these tabs and you can push upward and pull the cover back. Now the tray that supports the filter is visible. It has a tab right in the middle. You can grab this tab and pull towards you to get this tray out. Who knows how long this filter has been in the car? People really neglect to do this. But this filter is contaminated with dirt and mold and pollens and organisms and bacteria, and you're breathing all of this stuff in. You'll notice that the sides of the tray have tabs that secure the filter in place. There are tabs on either side, and the filter should slip underneath them. I've never seen a filter of this color before. They must be doing a promotion with the new Barbie movie. The tray goes back in the way it came out. Just line it up with its slots and pull it all the way in. Next, you put the cover back on, and I want to point out to you that it has an embossed direction on it for up to help you with this very mentally challenging task. Put the cover back on. So grab it by one of the tabs. Push it upward to engage, and then in. There we go. A little bit difficult to do with just one hand, but we got it. And there we go. Everything is back where it was, and welcome to clean air. I hope you enjoyed this video, and thank you for watching.